AI stands as the impending threat to employment because of its automation capabilities. Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to transform various industries through an unrivaled rate of industrial improvement. The application of AI extends beyond automation to include complex decision-making functions because it functions as a workforce replacement in numerous areas. AI technology presents dual advantages for economic growth and efficiency, yet remains an imminent danger towards established employment practices. AI job displacement has shifted from being a future question to an urgent examination of its impact on the workforce speed and extent. The automation of jobs. Computers, using artificial intelligence, together with algorithms, execute various operations at high speed and perfect accuracy and economical prices beyond human capability. Multiple sectors show this transformation already in effect. 1. The manufacturing and warehousing sectors have utilized robots to replace human labor on their assembly lines for multiple years. The AI systems Amazon and Tesla automate packaging and sorting operations while performing quality control functions. Industrial factories require less and less human workforce each year. 2. The replacement of human agents by AI chatbots and voice assistants enables these systems to process millions of customer inquiries each day within call centers and customer service departments. The improvement of AI models leads to their need for fewer human employees, which results in job reductions for customer support staff. 3. The adoption of self-driving technology produces employment challenges for both truckers and taxi drivers and delivery service personnel. Autonomous vehicles developed by Tesla and Waymo are currently in development to potentially eliminate human drivers from the roads in the near future. 4th, AI-powered retail checkout systems, together with kiosks, have eliminated the requirement for cashiers in both retail stores and fast food outlets. Major fast food corporations test automated systems for cooking and order processing, which leads to reduced human personnel requirements. 5. AI technology performs automated investment analysis while detecting financial fraud and managing customer interactions within the finance and banking sector. Algorithms have taken over financial operations to the extent that positions such as financial advisors and bank tellers are becoming obsolete. 6. The content creation sector alongside media production benefits from AI tools, which include ChatGPT and Midjourney for article generation and marketing content creation and artwork production. AI tools generate content which threatens career stability for journalists, along with graphic designers and marketers. The pace of AI job displacement. The advancement of AI occurs at a much faster rate than the historic job elimination processes during technological transitions. AI represents a new wave of technological advancement because it manages to eliminate physical work along with intellectual and imaginative job functions. AI improvement in technology will expand into progressively complex job roles, thus creating a challenge for workers who need to quickly find new employment. Will new jobs emerge? Artificial intelligence emerged from technological advancements, which prompted the appearance of novel job positions. AI transformation will open several new employment areas, such as robotics maintenance, along with AI development and data analysis. These employment positions need advanced qualifications, which some workers displaced by AI will lack. The main difficulty emerges from how quickly workers can obtain new skills to maintain their marketability. The future of work, AI functions both as a compelling threat system and an advantageous possibility. AI management strategies will create a work environment where people perform strategic, creative, and interpersonal functions, while AI systems perform repetitive and dangerous operations. Workforce transitions become essential when AI implementation bases its operations solely on cost-efficiency interests, because this method could result in extensive job losses. Public and private sectors, along with individual citizens, need to ready themselves against this transformation through skill development initiatives and educational policies which secure general social progress from artificial intelligence technology. The AI revolution is already here to stay, yet its job effects hinge upon our decision to incorporate it into the work environment.